Welcome back to my channel. It's great to be here with you. Thank you for tuning in. Today is the 2nd of December, which is day number 2 of my Feelunique Advent Calendar unboxing. So yesterday for me wasn't the greatest of starts. I do not like Philip Kingsley, and it was a Philip Kingsley elasticizer. However, there are loads of you out there that love it, so it is definitely personal taste. Now, day number 2. Let's have a look. Is down here. So let's see. Well, today makes up for yesterday. As you can see by the logo, that is a Charlotte Tilbury product. So this is a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue Cream. It's to help brighten and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It's 3 ml. It's definitely a sample size. Yep, so it says that on there. I really love Charlotte Tilbury. Now I have quite a few of her products. I have just bought myself a Black Friday mystery box because I had to. It was like £90, the one I went for, and I think it was like half price, so it's not here yet. I may do a little video to kind of see what's in it. Now this is really cute. I'm considering it is a little sample size. The packaging's just beautiful, as it should be with Charlotte Tilbury. I will find out a price and put it somewhere. Doesn't actually smell of anything. And it's quite a good size for 3 ml, because with eye cream, you don't really need a lot. And it's just kind of like a little gentle pat underneath. I'm not going to use this yet because I'm using an eye cream. And if I dip into this now, there is no saying how long it will take me to get through it. But for day number 2, this definitely makes up for yesterday. I'm so impressed with that. And like I say, I haven't got any of their skincare range, and someone tells me someone said that magic cream of hers is really good, and I just haven't gone for it yet. So day number 2, smashing. Really pleased. What do you think? Have you used it before? It's a very good day number 2, I must admit. So yeah, really pleased. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my unboxing today. Don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, which is Lisa Subscription Box Addict. You can follow me on Instagram as well, which is Lisa Marie Clark. But there are details of that in the comments section. Well, comments, the drop down description. Can't you tell I've had a little bit of time off? I'm all this and that and the other. So have a great day. I hope you're doing something great today. It's nearly Christmas. It's time to get festive. I've gone for very sparkly eye looks, sparkly hands, obviously, sparkly lips, but I don't know if you can tell. It's the Glitter Flip Ciate. I do love that Glitter Flip lipsticks. So subscribe, like, comment, share, and you know the drill. You'll see me tomorrow for day number 3. Bye.